Hey guys, so this is a way how to hack stunt car racing, and I'll be showing you how you hack stunt car racing. So here's like one of the offline modes. So I hope you guys like this video and subscribe and like, cause this is a way how to hack stunt car racing. And you already see, I already got some other cars. And we go to single, we press Mercy Mahari, and then we press start. And then we just go back right here. And then we see that one up there. We gotta go keep shooting it so you get a high score. You put a close camera, then you go front and you just stop and you just keep shooting. But you gotta go front a little. You see all those, that means you're getting a high score, and that means you're getting points from your money. You see that I'm getting points and I'm making a new high score, but it might take a few minutes to make the challenge done so you can see your money. Right now I have 515, so make sure and watch that how much I get this time. So this might take a few minutes. Yeah, this might take long. We don't know yet. I'm gonna just go to 1,500, I guess. So I'm at the thousands right now, and I'm gonna just go to 1,500, and then I'm gonna see how much money I get this time. So we're almost at 1,500, and that's this how the way I get money. But you can go higher, but it takes longer to get finished. So now you just wait for the time up there where it says the game mode. You just wait for the time to run out so you can finish this. So you just ride around and do random stuff you want to. So this is not only for offline. You can do this while you have Wi-Fi, but I don't have Wi-Fi right now. The wood that's underground. What? There's the wood that's on the ground. I was sticking my finger in, so he pulled it down. Wouldn't that hurt? Now it's bleeding. I don't think it won't hurt, but it stings. Ugh. Is it out or still in? A little bit is still in. He pulled most of it out. Did he wait? Did he push it? How did the wood? How did your finger get to the ground? In the kitchen, I mean not in the kitchen, because the kitchen doesn't have wood. By the stairs, there's a little hole. I put my finger in there. That's why. Can you see it in my nail? I don't know how I'm gonna get it now. So we're almost finished right now. So you see we just finished it. So you press main menu and then you go to the buy cars. Then you see you get more money. You look at the coins and look at the level, you get more money. And you can buy any car you want except for the lit bike because this one is with real money. But these ones are with coins. In this Facebook car, you can just get it for free, just pressing it and then you'll just get it. But you can just buy all these other cars if you want. The one that I mostly likes are the like super bikes and the bike and the motorbikes and stuff. Cause I don't like the big cars, or else you'll get infected easily in the online mode. So I hope you guys like this video. Next video, you guys might see me with all the cars, cause I might be buying other cars. But I'm gonna buy the cart right now, I guess. Yeah, I might buy the cars that cost 100, I guess. I'll buy the bus. I'm gonna buy the mini. I'm gonna buy the bumper car. The last one I buy will be pizza bread, I guess. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys subscribe and like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.